Hey, you hungry? Wanna go outside? Huh? Let's go outside. Compost pile. We dropped an egg. There go the girls. I was about to say, oh my gosh, we're missing one. They are getting so big. Oh my gosh, I feel like, even though I just saw them last night, and they're just, I feel like they just doubled in size or something. They get big fast. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am Emerus, and I am just doing a little walk around this morning and seeing what needs to be watered, and my camera is moving. This thing is so weird right now. But yeah, it says it's supposed to be 40. It said my phone, the weather app said it was like 45 degrees this morning, or right now. It doesn't feel like that. The sun's out, and the high is probably going to be like 70, 80 something, I don't know. But yeah, let's see what's, really looks like the grass is starting to fill out in some spots, and I like that, because I don't want to walk in thorns either, so under the lights, yeah, quickly walk around and see things before my camera decides to do whatever it wants. So here we go. It just looks so green right now. See? Everything looks really green, and I like it, because in North Carolina right now the grass isn't really green. It's all died off or dormant, should I say. Oh look, the grass is coming in nicely. The new plot is doing well. The tomatoes are still doing good. The chickens are good. I don't know what happened with this raised bed over here, so let's go see. I think the chickens might have knocked down a board, or maybe Axel did it. He's my little farmer, and he let the chickens out this morning. So I thought Anaya was doing it, but he did it. Yeah. So let me zoom out. Look at those tomatoes. They look nice and plump. Some of these are ready to be picked over here. Some of them are not. But, okay. So, what I've learned from growing tomatoes is that they don't need to be watered every day. Tomatoes don't need to be watered every day. Tomatoes. And he gave me a slice of his tomato from his garden, and it was so good. It was like not like soggy or wet or whatever. You know, you take a bite of a tomato and it's juicy. The tomato was like, it was really good. I feel like this board has shrunk a little bit, where the chickens, for the kids, are pushing my thing. But yeah, so he told me that somebody told him that you don't water tomatoes every day or every couple of days or whatever. You water them once, and then you water them again when they look like they're about to die. So that's what I've been trying to do. Not really water my tomatoes as much. And I think it's working better than before because they feel nice and plump. And yeah, you're the reason why my fence is falling down. Look at this. Look at her. Look at this. I've never gotten this big before. Or this mini. Like, these are long. This one's dry enough to take off. I definitely think this likes being on the ground though. I'm thinking of ripping out this one of the black eyed peas plants, and then the celery that's in here because it's not really doing all that great. The other beds is doing fantastic, but this one it's not. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Rip it out. I don't know what to do about this pepper plant right here though. This thing. It's not really doing anything. So I think I might rip that one out and this. See what's just use the other one that's over there and just let it do what it's supposed to do. I might. As you can see, I'm still getting a bunch of things growing, so I can't really take anything out just yet and start getting the beds ready for next year. But we're just gonna have to continue letting things grow for now. And keep my harvest for this side of the garden bed. Now to go get the other stuff, and I might have to go get a bucket. And there's still more to do for seeds because they're curled and they're opened. So saving those. These little ones are from the fence. The ones that we just got up off the ground. I got 4 okras. Black eyed peas. I think this is the longest bean I've gotten. And then some chamomile, and tons of tomatoes. They're huge, and nice and firm. They're not squished. This is my melon that I grew. This is about as big as I've been able to grow them out here. So I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or there's something that they're missing. But when I grew these in North Carolina, they were huge, like big. I'll insert a clip so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. They were big, but these ones here, they're like personal size melons, and I think that's pretty awesome though. At least they're still growing and it's not crazy. My kids are trying to get into it already. You see the line? Alright, so I'm glad they didn't cut it open all the way until now. So I'm gonna go and That's the smoke from the smoker. Got some ribs going on. I'm also going to. There's a bug on my chamomile. I have to rinse all of this stuff, and then I have to figure out how to make chamomile tea because I have a bunch of chamomile that is ready to be picked. As you know, you saw I was out there picking chamomile. Yeah, so I would really like to make some chamomile tea. And use it, not just grow it just to grow it. So I'm gonna cut this open for the kids. Do you want some melon? Yeah.
Well, my tea done.
Your tea's done. You made tea. In my cup. You can't put hot water in there though. You can't put hot water in there though.
It only has cold water.
Cold water?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. That is it for now.